Hi guys, my name is Grace, and today I'm going to be opening Shopkins Food Fair ice cream truck. Yay! We got this at Toys R Us. This is for ages 5 and up. Let's open it up and see what's inside. These are 2 exclusive bags. You could put your waters or ice cream inside. This comes with an umbrella and 3 cups, and 1 cup like this, a short one, and you could put your ice creams inside. And it comes with a white sign that has some icicles on, and it says, and it has some ice creams on, and it comes with 2 exclusive top cans. And you could put your ice creams inside of these cups. This one is an ice cream. It has vanilla with a strawberry frosting on. And it has chocolate and it has a cone. And it's awesome. And this one has white all over. And there's a pink straw to suck it up in your mouth. And it says an agua sign right here. And it's smiling. And this one's smiling too. Next is the ice cream truck. Inside it has different kinds of colors. It's right on the floor. And it has a pink sink and a yellow faucet and a yellow cover to this pink cover that you could put your ice creams inside, and it has a driver's seat and one that wants to seat and the other one, this one. And this is the driver one. Its wheels is green inside the black, and has yellow stripes on, and some stars and some dots and some more stars. And it has the door, one that doesn't open, but this the driver's on the outside. On the side, it has a green S, and it has a line in the S, and it's cool. The bus opens and closes, and it's super awesome. And you could pretend it's a van too. I'm gonna put the water on the seat on this one. And I want to put the other one on this side. Ice cream. And they're gonna drive along. These are the cups that you put the ice cream inside. They fit perfectly inside, so they can eat ice cream too when it comes dripping off through their mouths. And you could put this inside of this bag, like that. And it comes right open. And just go put those here too. All my Shopkins can have a great day in this bus and have a great time eating ice cream. You can put that popcorn in there and that cake in here, and the apple in here. That's cool. That is really cool. And the ice cream can go in here. And that could go in there too. So these guys can go in the wash up. First it's the avocado. And then the apple will go in dry. Go in here. That seat. And he's gonna drive. And the Petey wants to go in here. And the avocado wants to wash up. And he could just go wash up. I feel like I want to go here. Ooh, the avocado wants to go with them. It's cool. And the milk wants to go inside too. Isn't that fun? He wants to go in also. He's gonna stay in. We gotta go. Who else wants to go with us? Okay, that one. Do you suppose it? Okay. That's all. Okay. Let's put those right here. Let's see. Another guy wants to go. The cake. No. The popcorn. The popcorn wants to go here, so he could. So, how about if the cake wants to go with him? How about if he rides in here and he goes right there, and then we could close up and put it right there, and everybody can go. Actually, it's gonna rain soon. Oh no, it rains. It rained. So we could keep the air cool. Hey, I think who else wants to go with us is another Shopkin. And actually, I'm gonna grab this. And open it, and then this can go with that, and then he could close up and have some great time in there. Okay? Yeah. This is my review of the Shopkins Food Fair ice cream truck. If you love ice cream, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and bye-bye.